In this video, we will be looking at TBC 5.7 point cloud filter enhancements. We will focus on the filter point cloud by CAD Lines or Alignments command. Let's have a look at the filter point cloud workflow in TBC now. I've already imported a dataset, and as you can see, this is a tunnel dataset. So we will be looking at the radius filter option in the point cloud filter command. As you can see, we already have an alignment for the tunnel as well as a design for the tunnel. I had a look at the tunnel design, and it is about 3.2 meter radius that was used. If you don't know what the radius is, you can always go to measure, zoom in on the tunnel, and then from the alignment determine the actual width of the tunnel. As you can see, 3.1, 3.2 is more or less where we want to be. Dot that down. In point clouds, under the regions, you'll find the filter point cloud command. Click on it. Opens up the filter point cloud command. Filter by, have a station and CAD alignment option. We'll obviously want to use the alignment option. As soon as you select it, you will see all the CAD lines and alignments pop up in this window. Select the one you want to use. For this exercise, we'll use the tunnel alignment. Next up, we need to select the point cloud we want to use, and that will then be the small tunnel. As you can see under the regions, we already have a small tunnel region. Offsets. Now we can select how we want to filter the point cloud. And you have two options, radius or distance from CAD line alignment. We want to use the radius for this tunnel. Remember that the new region that will be generated will be from the alignment to the distance that you give it. Anything inside that would be filtered into your new point cloud region. Radius, as we did see, 3.2 meters. And if you want to, and you want to have a certain height also filtered, you can tick this box and enter the height you want to filter from the alignment. Under more options, you can now give your new region a name. For this exercise, I'll call it inside tunnel. This will now be added as a prefix to your filter region that you are doing. When you're happy with your selection, press the compute button. The progress bar at the bottom will indicate how far your filtering has been completed. Our filtering of the point cloud is almost complete. Once done, in the Project Explorer, on the point cloud regions, you will see a new region being added with the prefix inside tunnel. There you have it, inside tunnel. As you can see, it has now been generated. Let's click on the 3D view, and there you can see the inside tunnel that has been generated. If we close this, unselect everything, you can see the lightish yellow that has been filtered out. Just click on true color, you go on the wheel filter, you now have the inside tunnel cleaned up, and you've got a much better point cloud region just for your tunnel to help with the scan inspection options under deliverables. That concludes the video for how to use the filter point cloud radius when you have an alignment.